After 40, fat loss feels harder, but your metabolism is not broken. It simply needs a better strategy. The real key is metabolic flexibility. That means your body can switch between burning sugar and burning fat. If it cannot switch, it stores. If it can switch, it burns. Here is the step-by-step formula. Step 1. Control insulin. High insulin blocks fat burning. Frequent snacking and sugar spikes keep insulin elevated. Reduce refined carbs. Avoid late night eating. Take short walks after meals. Lower insulin at night allows fat burning during sleep. Step 2. Build and protect muscle. Muscle improves glucose storage. More muscle means better fuel control. Strength train at least 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements. Muscle makes your metabolism flexible again. Step 3. Stabilize sleep. Poor sleep raises cortisol. High cortisol increases fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep in a dark, cool room. Consistent sleep strengthens hormone balance. Step 4. Reduce chronic stress. Stress keeps your body in survival mode. Survival mode prefers storing energy. Practice breathing exercises daily. Take short recovery breaks during work. Lower stress improves metabolic signaling. Step 5. Train fuel switching. Do not constantly eat. Allow small fasting windows between meals. Let your body experience low insulin periods. This trains fat adaptation. Over time, your body becomes efficient again. It burns carbs when needed. It burns fat when resting, even during sleep. After 40, success is not about extreme dieting. It is about metabolic control. Follow the formula consistently. Control insulin, build muscle, protect sleep, reduce stress, train flexibility. Do this and fat burning becomes natural again.